Okay, ready? So let's start with the big cone shape of the strawberry's body. I draw a little bit bigger than life size. Curve a little bit here because there's a leaf or stem there covering it. Here it is. Overlapping, there's one little leaf behind this, and there's another one over here. Okay, so here the overall shape of the strawberry. The most challenging part now is the seeds, right? So just relax. We don't have to draw every single seed on this strawberry. It's very overwhelming if we do so. I'm gonna start with here. Okay, so I'm gonna use kind of like unfinished little shape or dots. All right, kind of like this. I get like the general pattern, so the seeds are going like this way. They don't have to be perfect little seed shapes. Over here, some more. Okay. And it doesn't have to be a perfect pattern, just like the strawberry. Trying to steady it like this. Especially here around the tip, the seeds are very tiny and more close together. Like these. Adding a little bit detail here. There's shine here, like a little bit of highlight. Use little tick shapes. Okay, I think now I'm done drawing. Okay, so for the first layer, I'm gonna use red. I'm gonna mix it here, so you can see. So red and a little bit magenta. Make sure the first layer is not way too dark. Again, I'm leaving some little highlights, right, around some of the seeds. Each little seed is like a dent sinking down the skin of the strawberry, and some are, you know, have shiny rings outside. Okay, so I think I'm done the first layer. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. So while it's drying, I'm gonna work on the stem, the leaves. So basically I'm gonna do a first layer of the leaf. I'm gonna grab some light green and yellow, lemon yellow. So it's a fresh yellow green. Okay, now I'm gonna keep using this small number 8 round brush to do the second layer for the strawberry's body. So basically I'm gonna mix more magenta. The strawberry has more of a magenta color than just red. And the seed part of it is kind of purplish because it's in shade. Grab some purple here too. Okay, it's good. It's interesting splashes over here. Kind of cute. Tap it. And then I'm gonna mix some more red into it. I feel like it's way too purplish. Some parts around here maybe more reddish. And the top part is more purplish again. Okay, so there's a kind of like a nice blending between two colors, red and magenta purple here on the upper part and the bottom part. Nice blending of two colors. Okay, now I'm gonna mix some more shade color for the strawberry's body because now it's still kind of flat. So I'm gonna mix more magenta. Now I'm gonna mix some green because the complementary color of red is green. Mix a little bit in, not too much. Okay. Somewhere here, especially around the bottom. And here too, the shadow around the leaves. So I use like very small brush strokes and try to skip around those seeds a little bit, right? Instead of covering them up. Or jumping brush strokes. And now I'm gonna add some more shade color for the leaves. So basically viridian green. Good about that red. Press. Okay. Keep darkening here, more shadow colors. I try to wait for this to dry a little bit before I add more shadows for the strawberry's body. Okay, now I see this is pretty much dried, and now I can add my darker layer now. So basically I mix more green into the original skin color of the strawberry. Now it's easier, I can control it even better. I know how dark it is. Okay, so that's good. And now I think I'm ready to add the shadow for this strawberry. So basically my light source is coming from this way, and the shadow is somewhere here. Okay. I'll wet the area a little bit. Okay, so now I just added a shadow for this strawberry. So basically I mixed my own gray again by mixing ultramarine blue with some green and red or magenta. It's fine. And then I have like an interesting gray here, and I just applied it. Okay, so again the edge is closer to the strawberry is even darker, so yeah, less water here. There's a nice gradient transitioning from dark to light. Now I think I'm gonna darken the bottom part of the strawberry even more because I think it needs more. So basically I mix my magenta into the dark blue-green over here. Not too much, I think just around the bottom. So don't be afraid working in layers, and just make sure your previous layer is dry before you apply a new layer. That's the key, so you don't create a lot of muddiness. And here is the finished painting of a strawberry.